Ready? Ragdoll, POV camera. Imagine fall. Hey guys, today we are playing some bloody ragdoll, and we are being joined by Capybara. Also, go check out that video that I just posted, and he made it. It's called "Exposing Scammers." From Capybara blog. Go check those out. And yeah, let's just get right into this video. Let's just fall at this point. Ready?
Do the POV camera.
Yeah. Wee. I'm totally not gonna die today. I'm not gonna die today. I'm gonna die today. Yay, I died. I don't even know where I am.
I saw you.
Oh, we are by each other. How did I end up with a split? Know what I'm gonna do? Yay! Oh, didn't hurt me at all. Oh, that sound.
I know.
Does it mean you broke your hearing or something?
Dude, I fell on a mountain and now I can.
You're what?
On an escalator.
Huh?
I'm on an escalator. Look.
Ow!
I don't know.
Ouch. Wait, what? I got hit by something invisible. Ouch. Ooh! Ouchie! Wait, where did you go? Ooh, I'm gonna go to the pipes fall. Guys, we might actually, like... By the way,
oh my
you got
gosh,
my
I fell
house.
out of the world.
How? Oh, wait. Oh, this looks scary.
Oh my gosh.
Look, this looks scary. Look, I'm about to show you something that looks creepy. What? No. Okay, fall. You're about to see something a little scary. Look. That looks painful. Wow. Guys, don't do this at home if you have something like this. Don't do it at home unless you want to have broken bones. But in Roblox, it's impossible to have broken bones. So do it in Roblox. Do it in Roblox. Hey guys, by the way, I'm gonna get myself launched by a cannon. Yay! Guys, you don't wanna look at my face. You don't wanna see what my face looks like. Let's get launched by a cannon. Yay! Teleport. I'm gonna teleport to the roof. And then do you know what I'm gonna do? Ready? Ragdoll, POV camera. Imagine falling a million from a million. I don't even know what I'm saying anymore. You know what, guys? We're gonna leave the game real quick. We'll rejoin once I do something. I'm gonna change my avatar real quick, okay? Gonna change into this avatar real quick. Gonna rejoin them. Bloody Roblox engine.
Oh, the canyon and first, like, the thing is right here.
Okay, where are you? Stay where you are. Okay, guys, so I just joined in where you can actually see my face. So where are you?
Right here.
I don't even know where that is.
Me either.
Wait, mountain. I'm gonna fall from a mountain, okay? Meet me at the mountain. Teleport to the mountain.
Okay.
We're gonna suffer together. I gotta see what the face will look like once I damage it. Oh, you just fell to the ground.
Okay.
POV camera, ragdoll form. Ouch!
Ah,
Ah, God, this is sick. Guys, as you can see, we're just messing around in this game. Ah, that's loud. I have a question. How am I not bleeding from that?
how am I not bleeding from that?
I'm back at the mountain. Wait, ooh. Ouch! You're gonna hurt the viewers' ears.
Oh my gosh, I'm falling out of the world. Again.
Okay, tell me where you spawn.
Oh my gosh, my flatline.
Oh, you spawned at default. Okay, Capybara, let's go to the slide. Let's go to the slide.
This one's fun. This one.
Whee! I'm gonna hurt myself today. How am I not bleeding? Oh yeah, do you like my angry avatar?
Yeah. Oh yeah, by the way, do you want to fight?
You're gonna win. You're gonna win, I just know it. What weapons do you usually get? I usually get the fire axe, the knife, and the shovel.
I always get fire axe, pan, and shovel.
Now I'm gonna try the pan. I'm gonna try the straight pan. Do you get the shovel?
Yeah.
I'm gonna try the pan. Get over here. Get over here. Get over here.
Well, please.
How dare you? I will dare you to do that. How dare you? Hold on, let's team against this guy real quick. He's being annoying. Let's go against this guy. What do you mean, you? I so wish that guy was in there.
Oh, come on, he's cheating.
Get over here. Oh, I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. Run, run, run.
Oh my god.
I'm gonna go
Stop
up.
running, you little boy.
Ah! I got crushed.
Little boy!
I'm alive.
You can kill it, that makes sense.
Whee! How am I not bleeding? Guys, my goal right now is to bleed.
Where are you?
Nowhere. Don't lick my screen. Wait, Capybara.
Yeah.
Stop attacking me real quick. Okay, stop. I need to change everything back. Oh, I know why I wasn't bleeding. All my stuff weren't set to, were set to false. Get over here. Get over here, little boy. Please let me get one hit on you. Stop running.
Why am I running?
Around me, I mean. Stop running around me.
I don't want to die.
Yeah, I don't want to die either. Oh, any other guy. Ooh. Goodbye.
Bro, you're weak.
I'm joking. I actually just tapped the button. I actually just tapped the button. Where are you?
Coming to you.
Wait, look at my. What's my face look like? Oh, my face. Your blood got on me. Your blood got on me. Get over here, little boy. Gotcha. Take a pan. Where are you, little boy? Take a fire axe. Stop. Okay, no, I'm just gonna run this way. Ooh, I wonder what this hammer does. Ouch. Ah! Oof. Wait, yes, I can get away.
Stop running. You're a wimp.
No, I'm not. I don't want to die, that's why.
Fight.
I'm going against you, but, like, I'm literally hitting you, and you're just...
I know, I'm doing the same too, and I can't hit you. My axe is literally going
Gotcha.
through your skull, and it's not working. What?
Gotcha.
I'm gonna be you. Oh no! Oh no!
Shut up.
Oh, I accidentally tapped this.
Okay, shut up. Shut up.
Oh, I accidentally teleported to
Stop acting like me. I didn't teleport.
Okay, you didn't, but...
Get back here, cheater.
This is you.
Wait, player server age 40.
Owie! Dude,
Where are you?
oh.
Where are you? Oh. Coming to you, little boy.
Wait, why is it my thing? Look, I'm tapped. Oh, because I have to.
Come here, little boy. Why are you running?
How am I running?
Stop walking through it. How am I hitting you and you're just moving?
I'm hitting it, but it's not working.
Same.
Oh my gosh, this bot sucks.
I know. Can we just go against other people? Let's go against other noobs.
Okay.
Even though then, wait, where are the dummies? I gotta practice.
Nice.
Nice. Where? Where are you? What building? No. Is this dude supposed to be the developer? Wait. Get over here. Stop coming after me! Oh, look at his face! Oh, well, he's dead now. He's dead now. He's like, oh no! Hey, yo! Stop it!
Oh, here's some kill.
I actually...
This is my kill. You're not taking
Fox Big SOS IG is cool. Why won't it let me... Oh, because I'm not PvP.
Your microphone is on, right?
What?
Your microphone is on, right?
Yeah, they can hear everything. Hey, stop! Stop running. I'm hitting you with a pan and it's not working. This hitbox sucks. Wait, there's someone else to kill. No, it's my kill. Yeah, well, I found him first. Guys, sorry about that one. How did you get yeeted? How did you dislocate my head?
Oh my gosh, this dude is so laggy, bro.
You dislocated my head.
Gone.
Hold on, guys. I'm sorry, my dad's just being annoying and texting me. Guys, I'll be back. How am I still falling? Oh, look at my face.
What happened to you?
What did happen to me?
That looks like me on a Monday morning.
Same here, looks like me on Monday morning. How do you like my bodyguards? Must run, must run.
Yes, come on.
Guys, yes, I'm climbing the big dangerous thing. Yes, I'm climbing the big dangerous thing or whatever it's called. Again, go check out Capybara's blog on my channel. No, check out Capybara's blog if you want to be cool. Yeah, check out Capybara's blog if you want to be cool, okay?
Yeah.
On my channel. If you want to be cool, check it out.
Check it out now.
Unless, you know, you want to be lame and
Boring.
and stuff.
Is that you in the blender?
No, I'm not even in a blender. I'm falling down a big dangerous thing. Oh, I'm just gonna make me sick. Why am I still falling? Ouch. Wait, what happened to my face? My face is perfectly fine now. Look at my body. Look at my body.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, I must have heard something that made me blind. I hope you guys like this video. I hope, you know what, like and subscribe if you like seeing our Roblox avatars get beat up. Like and subscribe if you guys really like us getting beat up. Yeah, I bet. They're bullying us. They'll get in the blender. Oh, I'm in a blender. No, I don't have to reset. I don't have to reset. I have ways to get out. Teleport won't work. Why won't teleport work? Nope.
Oh yeah, on your ragdoll. That's fine.
I just reset. Now free fall. What? What? What is going on here? There we go. I respawned. Well, time to fall from a very big high place. Woohoo! Yay! I'm hurting myself. I'm getting hurt badly. Ouch. Ooh, ow, ow, ew. Ow. What is give? Where's the give to? Ouchie! Ow!
Where are you?
Nowhere.
Oh, I see you. Hello.
I don't.
I turned my PvP off. I don't want to fight.
How did you know where I was?
Wait. Oh, you're here? Oh my gosh.
How did you know? Oh, look at my face. What happened to me?
Bro. It's like you have like a nose, like a big nose.
Well, ready?
Goodbye, world.
Goodbye, cruel world. Goodbye, cruel world.
Yo, I see
Don't see me anymore. Ah! Are you trying to make the viewer's death?
you. Oh, it's the grass.
Wow. Oh my gosh, look at, ready for the red fight. Oh gosh, what did I just create?
We went by each other.
What did I create? Why are you not bleeding?
You can see it. A little bit.
You're gonna be on your stomach.
You can see one on my arm, I think.
Don't go to the mountain.
I'm gonna go to the mountain.
Okay.
Scooter, dipper, flipper. Oh!
Wait, ready? Ready? I'm gonna do something epic.
Gosh, that is loud.
Wait, won't let me get out ragdoll. Alright, I was gonna do something epic. Goodbye, cruel world. Ouchie, ouchie, ouch. This hurts. This hurts bad.
Holy crap.
Holy. Ready to see what I look like, guys? What happened to my face?
Dude, it's just gone now.
Wait, my body's finally getting rid of the blood. You don't know where I am, and you'll never find me. Whoa! Oh yeah, your dad's gonna come soon. Okay, well, let's end off the video, guys. Let's end off the video. Stop talking. Okay. Teleport to the free fall.
Okay.
Now, let's end off the video. Well, hope you enjoyed seeing us get hurt in Roblox, and we'll see you guys next time. And maybe I'll create a Roblox short of this, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.